This is how to prevent automatic updates on your Android phone. This is for the system updates for the Android operating system. To prevent the system updates from being done automatically on your Android phone, open the settings app, and then in the settings app, go to system here. I have system, tap on system, and then you have system updates, tap on system updates. And here I have, this is how it looks like. For you, it might look a little bit different. But what you have to do is find a place where it says there is a setting if it's going to automatically install the updates. And here I have this 3-dot menu. You might have this option somewhere around, or even on some other phones like Samsung, you will have settings that are a little bit different. Here I have this 3-dot menu and I choose settings. And I have the option for automatic updates. I have here the options to auto-update. Here I have the options to auto-update apps, and I choose Wi-Fi only, but I could turn this off if I want to. And also automatic system updates, I have them set to off. I could have this to set to Wi-Fi and then I change it to off, so they are not done automatically. You will still be notified when you have an update. Your device will check for updates and it will notify you when you want to install. It will notify you when there is an update available, but as long as you don't do the updates are not done. So you can ignore the notifications and that's it. But it's a good idea to do the updates eventually. This is good if you want to make sure your phone is okay, there is no problem with the phone. Maybe because of an update something goes wrong. Maybe you're on a holiday, on a trip, you want to make sure your phone works and you don't have a problem with the phone. But when you get back home or when you can do it later, you should do the updates, because the updates, especially, they include security features to make your phone safe to use and not have any problems, especially with the banking apps. If you don't do the updates, eventually they will not work anymore for safety, for security reasons. So the system updates, you will want to do them at some point, but you don't have to do them immediately as soon as they are available. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.